guys, it's Danielle with Danielle Gets It Done, and this is my week 12 pregnancy update.
Gonna love you, honey, on and on and on. I'm a morning dove singing out a song.
Okay, baby is the size of a plum, 2 inches long, and most of the symptoms are all in place, and the second trimester is all about growing. I am so excited to almost officially be in the second trimester. Oh, and then it also says that it has reflexes, so if you like poke your belly, it might start kicking back in the same spot. You probably won't feel it right now, but it's starting to play with us. I feel like every week is like a ping pong match. Week 8 was horrible. Week 9 was better. Week 10 was the worst. Week 11 was good. Now we are in week 12, and I have to say I took a couple steps backwards. It was nowhere near as bad as week 10, but it wasn't as good as last week. I got sick a lot more and just felt more tired. Kind of the same old. Morning sickness and fatigue are my main things. So I'm hoping that eventually I start to feel more like I did last week. I would take last week the rest of the pregnancy, no problem. I felt really good. I forgot to mention last week what happened, and it also happened this week as well, and that's kind of severe dizziness. It started last week and it's been going into this week too. My coworker and I take a break at like 2 or 3 o'clock every afternoon and take a 5-minute walk outside just to kind of, you know, take a break and get some energy. And it was pretty hot, but I felt fine beforehand. And halfway through our little walk, I felt like the ground was shaking beneath me. I got extremely dizzy and it was pretty scary, and I just said, whoa, we gotta turn around. So I went back into the air conditioning office, but I just felt really dizzy and nauseous the rest of the day. I'm pretty sure I left early that day and just laid down. It was scary. And then this week it wasn't as bad, but it did happen again. I was standing in line at Chipotle, and all of a sudden kind of things started spinning. So let me know if you have any tips on what to do if that happens. Like, everything I read says how to prevent it, and that's hydrate and stay cool and keep food in your body, and that's all good, but I'm kind of doing that and it's still happening. I don't know what to do to make it kind of go away and alleviate the symptoms. When I get panic attacks, it feels like that dizziness for me, and so I think that makes it worse, because to me that's just the worst feeling in the world, and I hate feeling dizzy. So that is kind of a bummer, but otherwise, I mean, it wasn't a terrible week. It just wasn't as good as last week. I'm filming this in the morning, so I feel like my bump is not as big as last week because the bloat helps as the day goes. This is my buckle of my pants. So there we are, week 12. I feel like, I don't know, I'm like legitimately pregnant now. Like 12, it's a big number. I am filming this in the morning right after I press in. I'm on the way to see my doctor. I'm so excited, because if we hear the heartbeat, which Aaron keeps telling me don't say if, when we hear the heartbeat, I am going to tell work and all of you on my Instagram and YouTube channel that will be posting tomorrow my very first 4-week pregnancy test video. So I'm just really excited, and I hope everything goes well today. And I already know what I'm wearing to work tomorrow, a really tight dress that just does not hide my bump at all, and I'm just gonna be proud of my little baby bump. I can't wait. So I hope you enjoy this little mini update. Not too much to share, but I'm definitely getting excited. A plum is not a raspberry. I mean, it started as a tomato seed. It has grown so much. So excited. So I think I will just keep it short and sweet. Thank you so much for watching. Leave a comment below. Subscribe if you want to keep updated on my weekly pregnancy updates. I'd love to have you join this community. Have a wonderful day, and whatever your plans are, I hope you get them done. Bye, guys.
Ooh.